brother was caught in the crossfire. Was caught in the crossfire.
Hayden in
The
from
Crossfire Collectibles.
and today,
We got a haul.
so this is actually, I'd say actual haul.
It's a haul for the week. Told you guys we're gonna have a good haul this weekend.
So it's mostly figures, like 6-inch figures, as you guys can see here. But yeah, we got some stuff over here. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Yeah, we're gonna well, today is March 5th, and we're gonna get to showing what we got. So I guess we should start with like close and then work back.
I kind of wanted to start with Batman.
Hey, we're gonna wait with Batman. But I'm gonna start with the Masterpiece coins. So I went ahead and ordered. Actually, I didn't order them. I bought them off this dude. He had Soundwave and Sideswipe. Now I don't have the Masterpiece Sideswipe, but I do have Soundwave, and this is, I think, the final thing I needed for him. I got a bunch of upgrades on mine, and open this up, give you guys a better look at him.
Here is
Soundwave.
here's Sideswipe.
And so, Transformers Masterpiece, Sideswipe, and Soundwave coins. Cool.
Okay, so as you guys know, I do like the what's it called, the G.I. Joe Zombies Initiative line.
Eco Force 2.
And here we have Cesspool, looking really cool, pretty rare figure.
Is that FSS?
He fits in really well. Here's his helmet.
His backpack is here, but it's MIA, and the tube and all, and he's got his pistol somewhere.
Here's his gun. And then right here is his little briefcase that actually has money in it. So this is my first money briefcase, which I really like. So got that. So looks like we got some regular money. I think this can come out, but I'm not gonna take it out. Looks like we have all kind of. Looks like we have all, Looks like we have all kinds of different countries and whatnot. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Alright, so I guess we started with the Transformers, and now we're at the Joes. We'll go back to Transformers eventually. So saw a dude on Facebook on one of the groups I'm in, like the G.I. Joe Trader PX, and he was selling off some stuff, and he had some POC 50th Vipers, and I only have the mirror-faced Vipers. These ones were when they dulled them down because of the paint issues with them. I never got any of these, but I got 4 of them from him. So here they are, and we're gonna open them real quick and set them up. But yeah, I'm a sucker when it comes to troop builders, especially, you know, the 4-inch lines and the moderns, of course. Now, obviously, all these weapons aren't going to fit on them, but you know, your basic Viper has his vest and yada yada. Traditional Viper rifle. He comes with this black assault rifle. This, I believe, I'm not sure what this is. It's got a drum on it, so it holds a lot of rounds.
RPG with removable rocket.
Backpack. He showed that. And Cobra Viper. So, I'm gonna give him this traditional rifle, this one. I think this will take my regular loose Vipers up to 9. Just the regular Vipers, not counting any other ones like the Officer and all that stuff. I don't have the Sonic one, the FSS one. Honestly, don't really care for any of the Sonic stuff, so I never bothered.
Oh.
And there we go. 1 Viper.
2 Viper.
What we can do is go ahead and just chuck all cards. Oh, here's a card. We'll put all cards and weapons in one bag, and we'll dip the other ones out. You can show off a little pistol there. Alright, you got one more to open. And I'm on my second one. He's about to open his second one. More cards. There's that extra backpack here. Is there a backpack on there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well, you got an extra one. These aren't so bad. I don't know why I never got them. I just thought the mirror finish on the mask was cooler. But that's alright, these ain't too bad. Same figure, same mold, everything. Just different paint on the mask.
I'm gonna give this one a RPG. Ew.
That one doesn't want to go in. Or is this the broken? No. I thought it was the one with the broken peg in his foot, but I guess not. There you go. Viper number 3. We got some extra bags. They'll just go in the trash. Put this over here in case we need something.
Never mind, I'm not putting the rocket in there. It does not fit. They do not like to hold guns, apparently.
Yeah. So there we go. We got 4 more Vipers for the collection. And go ahead and let them roll while we get to the next batch. So here we have, I gotta take him out, he's in a baggie. Got the Fss Frostbite. Been wanting this for a while. He is carded. I'll take him out, give you guys a look. Go ahead and open something while I prepare this.
Okay, I'm gonna show off it. Wait, are you showing this off or am I?
You can show it.
Okay, so here we have the 3rd and final World's Smallest G.I. Joe. This is the Snake Eyes one. This is the last World's Smallest G.I. Joe that we need to collect. We have Duke and Roadblock, and now we have Snake Eyes. So, same packaging and everything. New card, but then here he is, and he actually comes with some accessories in the back. It looks like he comes with a 2 little baggies and a gun. I don't think he comes with a sword though. It would be cool to open these, but
Trusty Dusty Kniff.
I don't think you can open these back up or close these back
I'm
up.
opening Frostbite while he talks about that.
It would be cool. So that's cool. So we have that. I'm actually gonna just sit this right here. Okay.
Alright. So, got Frostbite out. We'll take him out of his bubble. Got his stand. Let's show his card off real quick. File card. If you guys had the Snowcat when you were kids, you know, he came with Frostbite. What's his real name?
That's the one I wanted.
Seward Farley. Alright.
Got his overhand.
And his accessories. Looks like he's got a wrench. A little bag.
I like this figure.
Goggles.
We have a lot of the Snow people. I think we have almost all of them. I wish he came with a white stand though, but.
And he's got his little Arctic rifle. Still, he's got the rubber band on his hand, so I don't want to pop it off. I like to try to keep him on if I can. Sorry, I'm not gonna mess with. And he's got a pistol in his little. I guess his. What is that? It's almost like a sling type deal.
What?
Oh, he's got two pistols. He's got one on the side too. That's neat. I didn't even notice. Little white pistols. He's got two of them. Cool. All right, I'm gonna get him in a pose and you can show that. Sorry.
Okay, so while my dad goes ahead and sets him up, I'm gonna go ahead and show this new pop I got a few days ago. This is the Cyberpunk 2077 V male. So my dad was at GameStop and it was like a buy 3 get 1 free deal, and I was gonna get Johnny Silverhand, but they did not have it, so I went ahead and just told him to grab this one for me. So this is the V male pop. This is really cool. I will be opening this up and showing you guys.
Yeah, so Frostbite's goggles don't want to go over his hat because it's a little big. So what I did was I popped his head off, and I'm kind of sliding it up underneath his chin now. It seems like it's gonna work, but he's giving me some issues, so bear with me. I just don't want to break him. I'm trying to get it up a little high.
So here's the V male. He has all the cybernetic enhancements in his face, and it looks like there's one coming out of his hand that he is working on. He has the samurai jacket on, and yeah, pretty basic. I really like this. I'll be putting this on my gaming setup, so I like this a lot.
I just noticed his little wool neckerchief type deal, or whatever it is, comes off. You can see his all white jumpsuit underneath. So we're going to throw that back on. I'm surprised it doesn't have a backpack of any type. It's all good though. Since he's only got those few accessories, I'll let him keep holding his rifle. I will hang this thing off his holster in the front, and I'll make him hold a wrench. Why does he come with a wrench? I could understand if he would have a wrench if like cross country, but cross country didn't come with the Havoc either, and he didn't come with the Wolfhound. They renamed it, not the Snowcat anymore. But yeah, this is cool. Been after this one for a while. Finally got him now, so there you have it. The FSS G.I. Joe fan club Frostbite. Cool. All right.
Okay, next up, let me move this over. We're gonna cut down here, and I'm gonna show off the rest of these pops real quick because the rest of them, it's gonna be a little bit of a fun time. Got the Megatron pop. I said in the last video that I thought it was Starscream that came in that GameStop lunchbox deal, the G.I. Joe Transformer one. No, it's a Megatron, but he's a little different. This one does have a gun. It's not the one that come in the set, but hey, I got one because I don't want to waste a few more bucks, you know, with a chance of not getting a Megatron. So it's all good. But there he is. So Megatron pop taken care of. And it looks like my dad went ahead and grabbed these two G.I. Joe pops. It looks like he grabbed Leatherneck, Dr. Mindbender. So on the back, it looks like there's Zartan and Shipwreck. We do have Zartan, but I don't think we have Shipwreck.
I don't have shit. Nope.
Okay, so this is Leatherneck.
Got Beachhead.
Yeah, we got Beachhead. Wait, Zartan's up there. I don't know where Beachhead is, but...
He's somewhere. He's here somewhere. That's one.
So here's Leatherneck. Looking pretty sick.
And Dr. Mindbender. You don't need to open it. Yeah.
So these guys are looking pretty cool. So that's two more G.I. Joe pops added to the collection.
Next up,
I guess next up we can start heading on to the 6-inch area. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this guy because I really want to open this. So this is the Batman Arkham Knight Batman.
Trusty Dusty Kniff.
So we have the Trusty Dusty Kniff. If you guys know, in the past video I did get a Deathstroke. So this goes perfectly together. So I'm really happy to have this guy. He looks super cool. He looks really, really cool. I really like the way he looks. So I'm going to go ahead and open him up.
Yeah, I picked him up at Walmart. Yeah, the same Walmart I got the Deathstroke at last week. And he was the only figure actually on the shelf. And I was like, eh. Because we did see this one at Best Buy. But yeah, we didn't get it. He passed on it. But I figured I'd grab it for him.
For some reason, it looks better here than it did at Best Buy. I don't know why.
Because you're actually looking at it and getting to examine it. I don't know. Have trouble?
Yeah. I'll wait on the stand. So, here he is. Whoa, his cape looks sick. Check that out. The detail on it is crazy. So let's go ahead and cut these rubber bands.
They really package these things, don't they?
Been really getting into the DC Multiverse line. They're actually really great figures.
McFarlane, too. I guess, yeah, I mean, McFarlane's always made good toys. It's just, I think, who else has the rights for DC? I think it's Mattel. Not too fond of any of their stuff, dude.
I do like the DC icons and those type of figures. But
show off his stuff.
So, don't know what this is.
That's a crazy looking gun of some type.
Looks like a grapple. I don't know. I think this might be the. I have no idea.
I haven't
Don't
played
really
Arkham since
remember.
it came out, and I just kind of binge played it for a while, so I don't remember exactly what this is. But this is also, is this Asylum? Oh, this is Knight, Arkham Knight. I don't know. Batarang.
I don't know if this goes anywhere. I'm just gonna put it in his hand or something.
Got the Batman.
How does he hold it? So he's gonna hold it like. Like this. So here he is. He's holding his batarang and I guess a grappler. I have no idea. I don't know if this is their grappler. I don't know, but this looks really cool. I like him like this. I'll probably get him into like a cool like jumping down pose because I really like this cape a lot. So that's really sick. So I'm gonna go ahead and mess with him more while my dad goes ahead and shows whatever he has to show.
Alright, so I'm gonna move on now, move right back to Transformers. And I got this today actually, the Transformers R.E.D series. What is it? Robot Enhanced Design, Arcee. If you know me, I'm pretty fond of Arcee, and especially the Transformers Prime version. And this one is awesome looking. It's just, I was blown away. I'm not too fond of the scale, but I do like the scale next to a G.I. Joe because it's like, oh yeah, she could turn into a bike and blah blah blah. Except the only problem with the R.E.D series, they do not transform. So I'm gonna get her open anyway because she's gonna be displayed on one of my shelves with a few other RCs I have. And but before I do that, while I'm opening this, I want to just say to Hayden, you guys saw this in the last video. I gave him a surprise. So I need to tell you about the surprise for this one because it's not up here. You can't have Batman without
Joker? Robin?
to your left, behind the Fortnite figure.
The Silver Surfer.
That was a joke. That was a joke.
Oh,
But
dude.
here's prize number 1.
Okay, listen. So my dad has been going to Walgreens.
And I'm opening this.
My dad's been going to Walgreens like all the time, and he keeps saying, "There's a Silver Surfer in there. There's a Silver Surfer in there," and I'm like, "Oh boy, do I want one!" And then I'm just like, "Nah, I think I'll pass." But then when we leave, I'm like, "Oh man, I should have got it."
Yeah. And then they're gone because people go in there and snag them up.
God, he got me one. This is one of my favorite Marvel Legend figures ever. I mean, just look at him. Just look at him.
Wow.
He legit looks freaking sick. I love this guy. Thank you.
Well, there's a lot of stuff in here. Got our little backdrop, the side piece, little warning crap. Looks like she comes with an Energon cube. What if it lights up?
Does it?
I don't know. I haven't watched any reviews or anything on these. Actually, I'm not even sure there are any because I don't think these have even hit stores for the most part yet. See, she's got an extra set of hands. She has her hand guns. The guns are going on her arms. The forearm blades. And these little pieces right here, which I'm not sure of exactly. But I'm going to take her out and do that while he does that. So bear with us. Always afraid them things are going to swing up and like smack me in the face or something.
Check this out. Look how long this surfboard is.
Long too. Like Keanu Reeves in a Point
I like
Break.
this. This background is really cool. Can't open him up.
Now I've got to say, that is pretty nice and detailed. She feels more, it's like kind of soft plastic. I don't know. I have never like handled one of the
Look at that neck articulation.
one of the red figures before, but that is pretty slick. So I'll go ahead and give a full little review on her, I guess. Her bottom, I don't know what you want to call this, skirt type deal. It is not removable, but it is loose on her. You see one of her back wheels, but it doesn't move. She's got these little pieces coming off like wings. Got the chest plate that does come off. Alright, so we're going to have to blur this out because Arcee's got boobs.
You don't have to blur that out.
Yeah, but they're
see.
detailed.
No, it's not.
I know.
No, it's not.
I know.
No, it's not. I know.
That's a joke. I was just messing with him. But yeah, her chest plate comes off, which is pretty neat. And that kind of makes it look like a boy. Put that back on. There we go. She has like some toon hands. Some very small ball joints in the arms. You have swivel for the elbow and wrist. The wrist also have little bends for them. Same with the legs. You twist, turn, dance, and shout. Let's see. Lots of 360s it looks here. Her waist turns left and right. Alright. So yeah, she stands good. She's got big feet, so that'll help. I'm gonna go ahead and pop out some of these accessories and put them on. We'll start with her forearm blades. Let's see.
I wish this thing had 2 pegs.
Okay. There's one.
Where?
Second one. I've been waiting for this figure for a while. I was going to pre-order it like last year. I think September or August. And I was like, man, that's a it's supposed to come out, you know, what, October, November, December, January, February. Now it's March, and it's crazy. Alright, so now I'm gonna take off her hand blasters. I think you might have to take her hands off to put these in. So I'll start with one. This one's kind of warped, so I'm gonna go with this one. But I'm gonna take her left hand off.
Dude.
Careful, I don't want to break it. And you see, this looks like a trigger hand. And she's going to shoot a gun, but I don't see any handles on these, and they don't extend out anywhere. So I'll put that back. And you see the peg on here, and then I'll just pop right into her arm, like so. And she's ready to rock. So I'm not going to put the other one on. I'm not going to bother taking the bald hands out. Let's figure out what these are. Oh. Well, it looks like these may... It shows on the box that these are purple. So what they are blade slashes. I wasn't aware of that. So, like, if you put that on there, it looks like she's supposed to be slashing something. It's like making a spark. But on the box, it shows they're purple. However, in the package, they're gray. But, whatever. Still neat. It's good to see that they actually come with some accessories instead of, you know, either random nothing or... I don't know what the other red figures come with. But I'm very pleased with this one. I'll show her off with the Energon Cube. And there you have the Transformers R.E.D series, Arcee from Transformers Prime. Cool figure. Compared with Cesspool.
Okay. So here's a new Silver Surfer figure. I went ahead and put him in a post. Took me forever to get this guy to actually stay on here. But he does come with Mjolnir. And it says, whoever can lift his hammer, blah, 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 can possess the power of Thor. And I like that they added that detail. So I have him holding it. I'm probably going to switch his hand to the bald fish so that way I can put these little blast effects. He does come with 2 of these, which I really like. And, yeah. In here, comes with 2 bald fists. So I'll probably put one on him. But for right now, I'm going to just leave him like this. Like he's charging at something. But he doesn't really stay on this surfboard, so... Well, he needs 2 pegs.
That is neat. Next time I see a R.E.D series figure in the store, I'm going to go ahead and take a peek, because I don't think I even noticed that the accessory window on the side, it's its own little part. I've seen Megatron, Optimus, Soundwave, but I'll have to look at him next time. I saw her, I had to grab her, so.
There's Silver Surfer up there. I will be putting the rest in the package, but I will be leaving him out.
What is Batman without Robin?
Oh, dude, I caught it. No way. Hold on, guys.
Yeah, that was my mistake, because I actually, I put Silver Surfer where I thought I put Robin, so it's, oops.
Okay, Silver Surfer.
That was a joke. That was a joke. But it's okay.
You're like, what's Batman without? And I'm just like, Joker? Because I know there is a Joker one. Okay, so this is the DC Rebirth. I already know what it is. It's DC Rebirth Robin. That's sick. So I do have DC Rebirth Robin and Flash now. So these two will probably go together. That's sick. That's really sick. I believe. I don't think this is Damian Wayne, is it? I don't know. I don't think so. It might be. I don't know.
Who else would it be? Tim Drake?
I think so. I think that's who it is. Teen Titans. Okay, so then it's, I don't think it's... They need to make a Kid Flash one, because I see Kid Flash, Beast Boy, Starfire, and Raven on the back. So, that just makes me want a Kid Flash to put with Flash.
How in the world, what did you do? Alright.
Stupid thing. Alright. This is my fourth. Let's go. We have Ralph.
I've never had this much trouble trying to put a legend box back in. I don't get it. Oh well. You can definitely tell it's been open now. I got it back up. This boy has more Marvel Legends than... There you go. Back in the box.
I broke it for a second. Like... Just twist your leg. All I want you to do is just twist your dang leg. Oh, it's gonna break. I'm not twisting it. Oh, it's supposed to be like that. Alright. Okay. Jeez.
I do like that they come with stands though. That's pretty slick. Yeah, I thought you needed a router, and I was in GameStop and I saw him, and I was like, oh, yeah, I'm gonna get him. Oh, and I had to renew the yearly subscription also. He was like, well, you get $5 free a month. I was like, oh, basically pays for itself in 3 months, so it's all good. And you get to build up points and all that other stuff. GameStop's been getting some cool stuff, man. Regardless of all the rumors that I'm, going out of business and such, but I don't think they're going anywhere time soon. Hope not, anyway.
So here he is, next to Batman. He's a bit shorter, but I mean, it's gonna be like that. So I think they scale pretty well. Even though they're both from technically two different things. But, yeah, so I think it fits really well together. I mean, it's Batman and Robin. They have to fit well together. So, the next one I'll probably get is going to be Joker. So, now I have Batman, Robin, Deathstroke, and Flash. My favorite one so far is either Robin or Flash, to be honest. But that Deathstroke was really cool looking.
Yeah.
But this Robin's pretty sick. I like that he comes with his sword.
Hey, yeah.
Poop, yeah. So, we got this. I will be taking the stands out and setting them up after the video. But I will not be doing it right now.
Alright, we're about to switch genres to our final. I tried to save Frostbite for the finale as the headliner, but that's alright, At least we got to show them off with the rest of the Joes. But, before we move on, as you can see behind, we have Star Wars. We got a couple things over here, so we're going to pull them out. One of them is going to be opened with us, but go ahead and grab that DVD set. So I was in Walmart yesterday, and I keep walking by this thing constantly, all the time, anytime I'm in there. And I finally grabbed it. Master Universe, He-Man and Masters Universe. This is all 130 episodes. And it was like 39 something like that. And I was like, you know what, they got one. And I got a few bucks, so I'm getting it. So I got it, so I think it's, how long is it? 46 hours and 41 minutes of episodes on here. That's a lot.
That's almost 2 days worth. Like 2 full days, day, night.
So definitely going to be watching some of these, and I'm just glad to have it when I knock that out and get that out the way. But alright, next we're going to move on to
Black Series. So here we have some Black Series here. We have Black Series right here. And this is actually IG-11 from the credit collection. If you guys saw in the past video, I did have Cara Dune. And I went ahead and opened the Cara Dune up. And then here we have IG-11. I really get these because of this little credit piece. Also, they're basically concept from like at the end of the episodes. So I will be opening this. Just
be careful. And I'm not going to open her, but I'm going to go ahead and show it. Remember, I kept saying in one video, oh, I don't have any rays. Well, I got that one ray, and I finally got Darkseid ray this week. She came in yesterday. I actually ordered her online, so the pre-order finally came in. Even though it's not a pre-order, because she's popped up in stores and everything. But I was like, I don't need two. And I do notice that there is a variation in her lightsabers. This one has the gray silver hilt. I've also seen them with gold. Head sculpt on it looks great. It looks more like Daisy Ridley than some of the other ones do. And I kind of want to take it out just to mess with her saber and, you know, make it the double-bladed one, flipping around and stuff like that. But it's all good. I'll show her off like this, and yeah, that's that. But Darkseid Ray acquired, and cool. So he's got IG-11 here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take out our shoe. She is gonna be our headliner, but I'm gonna go and wait for him to get the stuff put into IG-11's little claw hands. And if they're anything like the old Kenner figures, them hands suck trying to hold weapons.
Yeah.
Also bummed when they finished him off in The Mandalorian. I was like, man, that thing's cool. I'd have kept it. Now, they do have the regular IG-11 Black Series at a store down the street. It's an antique shop.
Oh, there's a little
And
peg.
I thought about getting them, but nah. I'm trying, because, you know, I collect Mandalorians.
There's a peg.
So I'll just stick to getting some of those and random other things like her and a few guys I got over here. That's it. You know what would be cool? If the credit chip was like a stand is also.
Oh yeah, nah. Because then we wouldn't be able to use it for something. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. So yeah, that makes, out of 5, he now has 2 credit collection figures, Cara Dune and IG-11. So that means 3 to go. There's
3?
Yeah, there's Mando, Din Djarin, the heavy infantry trooper, and Death Trooper.
So I have him just like aiming, like. I can just have him like trying to go like that. I think his arm will bend that way.
Remember you fought with me for the longest time saying his arms didn't bend?
Yeah, because look, it doesn't look like it does, but it's because this is rubber.
Yeah. I told him they did. No. Well, they do.
I mean, do these look like they bend? No, but check this out. They do.
Alright, so we're about to move on to this one. But before we do, man, you still need 3 more of the credit collections. Well, let's go ahead and give him another one right now. Behind you. Oh, I'm sorry. It's behind me.
What?
Behind Mando. Behind the big pop.
Oh. Oh, dude. No way. Oh, dude. Guys, come on. Check. Dude, I didn't even know this was a thing. Oh, man.
Have you even seen one of these in person?
No, I've never, ever seen this in person.
I've seen them a few times, and I was like, wow, that card is, like, huge.
That is sick, dude.
And the figure's got some weight, so when it's on the peg, it actually sits right. You can see I'm just kind of cupping it like that.
That is...
Do you got to open that?
Dude, I'm definitely opening this. I need that.
Because we have the regular heavy infantry up here.
Should I?
That's up to you, man. It's yours.
I really want to.
Well, you already stabbed it, so...
I don't want to. You can't tell.
That shit you can't.
I want to, but then I don't want to.
Slice around the plastic where you're already stuck into it. That way you don't mess the card up, the artwork. Let me show you a trick. You don't need to slice it like you're cutting a fish.
I know.
Yeah. Don't swing near me. Alright, and while he's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and get to this. So here's the Hasbro Pulse. I believe it was just a Hasbro Pulse exclusive. But this is another Mandalorian. Currently, one of the last ones I need that are currently out with the Black Series. And here we have the armor. Now, I've seen the regular one plenty of times, but I really wanted this one because it comes with extra accessories. You know, it comes with some of the basically armor smithing tools and yada yada. And Mando's Beskar helmet. I think it's Mando's. But,
excuse me, please.
Should be making that stuff. And, like a few other people say, oh man, are you actually going to take it out? Yeah, I'm going to take it out. I know it's an exclusive and I shouldn't, and yada yada, but I'm going to, I think. I don't even know how to take it all the way out. Does it even come all the way out? That's alright. I'm pop the side, I guess. Decisions. Well, I see she does actually have a head underneath her helmet, which is cool. I don't know if the helmet comes off. Alright, so this is going to make me going to open it, because I want to see if she actually has a face. Because that would be neat to see what it actually is. So, I'm opening it.
Finally, after 20,000 years, I got him out. Let's go, dude. Okay, now, I have so many credits. I have 3 now. Let's go, dude. Check this dude out. That looks so sick, dude. Check this out, guys.
Looks like they aren't going to let people open this very well without kind of destroying the packaging, which sucks, but because they have them little cardboard pegs like that go in there. Kind of ripped the one, but it's okay. It's open now, so out she comes. Oh, that's why. I was wondering why the box didn't slide all the way out. There's a little thingy in there that's kind of preventing it. But it's okay. It's still pretty neat. No extra accessories on the back. But we're going to pop out this little blister right here. Oh! Taped. Tape. So I'm going to have to cut this out. One side, and you know, you figure for an exclusive, they really seal them things in there. You know, you figure stuff at the store would be like that. You ever come across stuff in the store and you can tell somebody's been into it, you know, because there's packaging all over the place, or maybe some random kid couldn't get their way and was like, oh, mommy won't buy it for me, so I'll just pop it open. Alright. I'm gonna have to cut these off because they're taped. And little rubber band type deals. Snap each one. So you can get through the tape first. There's some really thick tape on these things. Third. Yeah, it's almost the same color. Pretty neat. Okay, so here we have the armor. And it's pretty slick. I like that. It's like it's real smooth. It's like a little fuzzy stuff. So now, like I said, there's a head under there. So I'm going to see if this helmet comes off, and I want to see it. I don't know if anybody else has done this before, but
I gotta cut that out.
Oh, sorry, we had a slight technical difficulty. We're going to cut that out.
Oh wait, look. That's like yours.
It's a little bit different. Okay. Sorry, we had a little technical difficulty here, but
check that out. Okay, guys, so here's the credit collection heavy infantry Mandalorian. We will probably compare him to the other one. I don't know if we're going to do it on camera or off camera, But this is what he looks like. He looks super sick. I really like the teal, kind of like underneath of the blue after the blue scratching off. I really like that. Comes with this giant minigun that took me 100 years to put on. Comes with a nice jetpack that fits in the back really well. We have tons of Mandalorians now. We have the Build-A-Figure Boba Fett. We have regular Boba Fett. We have Jango. 2 heavy infantries. We have 3 Mandos, all 3 different. We have Mandalorian, Sabine. This one. Let's just say we have over 10. I'm not counting all of them.
Yeah.
But, so, my second and third credit collection figures. I really like the credit collection. I really like how he has the mythosaur on his shoulder. But other than that, yeah. Let my dad go ahead and show more.
Okay, so I tried to take the helmet off, but it looks like it's going to be like the Stormtrooper. So, boil and pop. And, it's okay. It looks like it's just a gray head, so I doubt she's anybody special. So, let's go ahead and stand her here. Her pads on her arms kind of prevent her arm from going all the way up. So that kind of sucks. But we're gonna show off her tools because she comes with a few more than the regular package figure does. And here you have like a little I wonder if these pieces are supposed to be Beskar also. But anyways, here's like a little mallet, for her armoring. She has some long tongs here that are kind of translucent at the end, like she's smelting some stuff. Here's some short tongs with no translucent coloring on them because I guess she hasn't used these yet. And I'll let him show these.
Here it looks like some kind of little pressure thing.
No, I think
with a blast effect on it.
I think it's this also. That looks like the same thing.
Oh yeah.
Except this one's dripping some stuff.
Yeah, so it's starting to melt and starting to drip, and then has a blast effect, which goes into it's a normal Mando helmet that's starting to become translucent and blue. Like it's going like bang.
Yeah. So that's cool. So I'm gonna let her.
Maybe go putting this on Mando.
I'm gonna put this in her one hand, and I'll put the helmet in the other, like she's doing something to it.
Bang, bang.
I remember the episode when she was like making some armor for him and stuff. She didn't mess with his helmet though, so did she?
Yeah, he made it. Yeah, he got a new one.
I remember she made the bicep piece. Man, she don't even want to hold this thing. His hands are all goofy. Gotta try to get underneath the fingers there. Oh shit, I'm scratching the paint off with it. Well, be careful with the tools because it looks like the whole thing is translucent and just the silver paint over top is very, very light and will chip off because it did it on here. But it's okay. Put it back in, squeeze the hand up, and now we'll get her to hold the helmet in a certain way. And maybe do it this way. Give her like a little pose to where she's going in on it and like she's about to do something with it, whatever she's doing. So that's pretty neat. Overall, it's a nice figure. Looks cool. Not really any difficulty standing.
Look, he stands good.
Yeah, sturdy for the most part. There we go. So, and this one with some, had 4 Black Series figures for you guys, and I think that's going to wrap it up for this week's video.
So yeah, we had a really good video. We got tons of figures. We have a lot of stuff to clean up.
Yeah.
So just a little recap. We have the DC Multiverse Arkham Knight Batman, DC Multiverse Rebirth Robin, the Star Wars Black Series Critic Collection Heavy Infantry Mandalorian and IG-11,
the Hasbro Pulse exclusive Armorer, Transformers Red Series, Transformers Prime Arcee, the G.I. Joe FSS Frostbite exclusive,
We had the Cyberpunk 2077 V-Mail Pop and the Vipers and the World's Smallest G.I. Joe Snake Eyes.
And you also have the FSS Cesspool. The Pop Megatron, Dr. Manbender, and Leatherneck. He-Man, 130 epic episodes.
The Star Wars Black Series R.E.D. Darkseid version from Rise of Skywalker, and the Silver Surfer.
And Transformers Masterpiece, Sideswipe coin, and Soundwave coin.
I just realized the Pimp Daddy Destro would go good with the that one Supreme Leader Cobra Commander. Those are both gold heads.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, that does it for today. Be sure to check us out next week. Just a heads up, I do have surgery this coming Tuesday, and next week's video is going to be a little difficult for me. So I may be wearing a mask for the video. I can't talk that much, but I will be here, and Hayden will probably narrate the majority of it. So until next time.
If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a giant thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you know when I post a video. Make sure to follow us both on Instagram at everything.gijoe, Fizz127, and Crossfire X Collectibles. We see y'all in the next one. Peace.